Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am gonna show you the basic logic gate circuit of 2-bit comparator. By using 2 bits, we have each bit have 2 inputs, and by using these inputs and by comparing these inputs, we will get 3 different conditions for F1 and F2. If F1 is equal to F2, then in case we will have this LED turn on, and if this condition will true, then this LED will turn on, and as it is, if F1 is greater than F2, then this LED will turn on. Here we use different gates such as XNOR, AND, OR, NOT gate, and these basic logic toggles to check our circuit is it true or not. So first of all, I am gonna show you the basic logic Boolean expressions. These are the 3 Boolean expressions for our 3 conditions. First Boolean expression is for XNOR gates. Here we will first design XNOR gate for this expression A and C, and then XNOR gate for B and D. And by using OR gate, we will combine these 2 gates by using OR gates. And as it is in F2 function, here we design 3 AND gate operations, and then we will combine these AND gates using OR gate. And as it is in F3, we will also use AND gate operation, and we will design 3 AND gates, and by using OR gate we will combine these 3 AND gates. This is the basic circuit. First of all, we use XNOR gate. In first XNOR gate, we will combine A and C input directly to XNOR gate, and then combine B and D input directly to XNOR gate, and these XNOR gates are combined by using AND gate operation. And this condition will tell us that if 2 inputs are equal, then this LED will turn on. In second case, we will use 3 AND gate operations. In first AND gate operation, we will combine A NOT gate, B and B NOT gate, and D as it is D input. And in second gate, we will combine B NOT gate and C and D as it is input. C and D input as it is. And in third gate, we will combine A NOT gate input and C as it is directly. And these 3 AND gates are combined by using OR gate operation, and this condition will tell us if first input is less than second input, then this LED will turn on. And in third condition, we also use 3 gates because we have 3 expressions, and some of these 3 expressions will tell us this condition. In first AND gate, we will combine A as it is A input and NOT of C, and combine NOT of C. And in second gate, we will combine A and B as it is input and NOT of D input and NOT of D input. And in third gate, we will combine NOT of C input, NOT of D input and B input as it is. And these 3 AND gates are combined by using OR gate operation, and this condition will tell us if first input is greater than second input, then this LED will turn on. Now we can see that if second input is greater than first, then this LED will turn on. And if first input is greater than second input, then this LED will turn on. And in first case, if both inputs are equal, then this LED will turn on. And this is the basic logic design circuit of our 2-bit comparator. Jazakallah.